It's Monday morning, April 5th, and I just got out of my NVDA swing trade, stock ticker NVDA. And as you can see here, my entry was on Friday at the close, and I got out this morning in the pre-market. So to show you on the minute chart exactly, my entry was right here at the close on Friday, and I got out right at 55.3, around 7 this morning, covering about, we'll call it 0.45%. And in cash, that equated to around $1,000, a little bit more. So can't be too upset with that, although I did expect NVIDIA to have a bigger gap this morning than it did. So to show you here on the daily again why I thought this was such a good swing trade. It's not hard to see. We have a gap of about a little bit over 1.6 the last green day and a gap of 1.1 the day before. And the last time it failed off a green day, we saw it fail about 0.7, 0.8%. So the risk to reward, this looks like a good setup. And because I see NVIDIA coming up close to its highs again, starting to break out off of this resistance, I really did think it was going to gap up. And also, I looked at the weekly because it was the end of the week, and I saw how the week ended, and you can see we had this big green candle. So because of that good weekly candle, and because I see in the past it technically does gap up more often than gap down off of these green days, or these green weeklies, I expected it to have a big gap up, but unfortunately wasn't as big as I expected. So to show you back on the indexes here, you can see that the Dow Jones and S&P were going up, but you can see that the last green day on the Dow Jones and S&P, except for this one here, were fails, while the NASDAQ has been gapping up consistently. You can see off of these green dailies. So because of that, I thought NVIDIA was going to be doing the same thing. So I did stick with the NASDAQ leading stocks. And you can see also on my visual map, or visual heat map here, the stocks that are doing well on Friday. This was Friday's heat map, and it's all, stocks in the infotech NASDAQ sector. So it was pretty obvious to stick with the NASDAQ, but unfortunately this morning it looks like Dow Jones is leading instead of the NASDAQ. So can't win them all, but still a pretty good morning. And if you like these swing trades and you'd like to learn the same thing, just follow along and I'll keep posting. Also, make sure to join our Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades. Here's where you can get all of my swing trade picks, and also where you can talk to our community of swing traders.